Hello everyone, welcome to another programming vlog. Today we will learn about polymorphism. It is one of the basic building block of object-oriented programming. As we know, object-oriented programming has four major blocks, and these are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. So, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. As we all know, in inheritance, we inherit attributes and methods from another class. But in polymorphism, we uses those methods to perform different tasks. Polymorphism allows us to perform a single action in different ways. Actually, this is the theoretical definition of polymorphism. In the next slide, we will see visual representation of polymorphism. So, this is our base class. The name of this class is animal, and it has a function which name is animal voice. Okay, and this is our base class. And then we have another class called dog, and this class will inherit the functionality from base class animal. And then again we have another class called cat. You can see animal voice function is inherited by both classes, dog and cat. So in this diagram, we can easily see animal is the base class and dog and cat are derived class. They inherit the functionality from animal. And same function animal underscore voice will be extend, or dog and cat will implement this function according to their need. As we know, the voice of dog is different and the voice of cat is different, so they will implement the same function in different ways. So this is the visual representation of polymorphism, concept of polymorphism. Next, we will see the implementation part. First, we will create new project in code blocks. This would be console application. The name of this project will be polymorphism. And here we have the main.cpp file. We will include some basic libs like standard library and conio.h. And then we will define our base class, whose name is animal. And in this class, we will define a animal underscore voice function under the umbrella of access modifier public, and this will display the animal makes voice, or it can be sound. Okay, this is the definition of our base class. Animal class is our base class. After that, we will define our derived class dog, which inherits the functionality of animal class, and it will define the animal underscore voice function according to its need. See, we are defining animal underscore voice function, same function that was defined in animal class, but in this derived class, dog class, the implementation of this function will be different. It will display dog says the dog voice, this is the first derived class. Next, we will define another derived class whose name would be cat, and cat will also inherit the functionality from animal class. Again, in cat, we will define the animal underscore voice function according to its need. Now you will see the implementation of animal underscore voice function is different in all classes. This is the concept of polymorphism. We have the same function, but the implementation of this function is different in every class, base class as well as derived class. The animal voice function return type is void because it's not returning anything. It's just displaying a message. So we have base class and two derived class, as we have already seen in the previous diagram. Just take a look. You can see this is the animal base class. This is the animal base class. And then we have dog derived class and then cat derived class. See, we have animal base class and we have dog and cat derived classes. Okay, next we will create objects of these three classes. First, we will create object of base class. In main function, the name of the base class is animal, so we are creating object of the base class. Next, we will create object of dog derived class and cat derived class. And one by one, we will call their function animal underscore voice, dog dot animal underscore voice, and cat dot animal underscore voice. So we have called the same functions from three different objects, and we will place get.ch to hold the program to pause the output so that we can visualize the output easily. Now we are writing comments. Animal is the base class, dog is the first derived class and cat is the second derived class. So we are calling animal underscore voice function from base class object. And dog dot animals underscore voice calling this function from derived class, and same is the case with cat dot animal underscore voice. This is also a derived class and we are calling this function from derived class. Let's play the code and see the output. So guys, this was the implementation of polymorphism. Please like and subscribe my channel. Learn to code now. Thank you so much.